Oh, yeah, go ahead.
Hey guys, welcome back to day 2 aboard the Disney Dream. We are at Nassau, Bahamas. We are not going to get off the ship today, actually. We're just going to have fun and kind of wing it for mostly during the day and just going with what we feel. Tonight we do have plans for what?
We have Apollo at 6:30 and Royal Palace, right?
Royal Palace after, and also the Minis Maritime Fireworks. So that's kind of the base and anchor for our day. But until then, we're just gonna go with the flow, check out the scenery, check out the drinks and the food, and get all fat and tasty.
And then we're gonna get in the pool, hopefully.
We're gonna get in the pool.
Not this one. Not the one on this the 13th level.
Yeah, we went in the pool yesterday. It was very windy, very shallow. We're gonna try a different pool today. But yeah, so come along with us and have a great time.
There you go, this is Brian.
Please don't tell me you got me on. Oh, I'm gonna need much more ice cream than that. How are you? Can I get a vanilla cone and a banana cream cone? Banana ice cream cone? Thank you. And you have vanilla one? Yeah. Vanilla? Yeah. Vanilla? Vanilla, yeah. Banana. Eat your heart out, Adam from Leg Lang. You went on a cruise and then you had banana, and you got very sad. So. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Everyone's there. What have you been doing now?
We're in the Evolution Lounge on deck 4, and we're doing the family bingo. Oh, and what's cool about this is you have the option to do the paper one, or you could do tablet. So if you do the tablet, you just sit back and watch. You don't have to do anything. You just sit back, you don't have to press anything, and you just have your drink and enjoy. So that's what we chose to do. Yeah, you get 24 cards for 40 bucks. Yeah, so I'm hoping to win because I'm not splitting the prize with you.
The number that you need is going to turn a dramatic. That one is coming on out to you, but we've got another one coming your way so that you can yell and scream your name now!
Having fun, right?
As we bring it back.
We have
Okay, bye-bye orange.
bye-bye orange.
Hello, green.
Green.
Here we go.
Hey guys, we're back on the balcony after bingo. Bingo was fun, right?
Yeah, we lost everything.
Yeah, but that's what's good about bingo. You slowly lose your money and it's fun.
Fun for you, it's not fun for me.
It was fun until someone yelled bingo. A little kid yelled bingo and he had screamed rigged.
This shit just got rigged.
So there was
Sorry,
that.
that was my tactic.
No, but it was really fun. It's been an overall relaxing day, and what? Oh, we're about to go to dinner with Paulo in like an hour, and then we have a dinner after that. That's scheduled. That's the rotational dinner at Royal Palace.
Yes. So
Then
we're
we're
gonna
gonna-
go to Palo at 6:30, and then Royal Palace at what? 8:25.
Yeah. So we're not big on, well, at least me, dressing up and going to fancy restaurants. So we are gonna try out Paulo just for some drinks, maybe appetizers, and then go to dinner at Royal Palace. We'll see how it goes. We'll play it by ear. We might not get into Paulo, by the way, update, because we both of us neglected to bring pants. So we might be rejected at the door. So if we are, we'll think of something else to do. We'll just keep the later dinner
If
and
not,
just chill out. We'll go to the pool
definitely show you show you our plates, show you our appetizers,
and we'll show you a video of us getting rejected.
Yeah.
No, but whatever it is, we'll make the most of it, right? Just like life, whatever throws at you. So we're just chilling, and we hope you're catching the vibe. I'm really excited for tomorrow, Castaway Key. But yeah, oh, and for the fireworks tonight.
Yeah,
Christmas
fireworks
fireworks
night.
on deck 11.
Cool.
Yeah, we're gonna take you along with us for dinner and the fireworks, and then we'll do a nice little nightcap like we did for day one. If you didn't watch day one, we'll leave the link for it. Go check it out. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. welcome to the Royal Palace. We are here for our 8:30 reservation, and Ian is acting very sorry.
Hey, it's
Genesis. Hey guys, welcome to the Royal Palace. This is our dining for 8:30, and this is our first dining reservation for tonight. We'll talk a little bit about Palo later, but we are happily here for the Royal Palace, and we're all geared up for the fireworks after this. So join us as we're going to show you what we're eating and drinking tonight. So we both started off with Double Crown cocktails.
Double Crown,
Crown Royale,
Champort, and
cranberry juice,
and squeezed lime.
Yeah, and 2 other things that I can't pronounce. So it's kind of like a holiday cocktail. So we'll start with that, and we'll show you guys, like we did the other night for Enchanted Garden, what exactly we ate, and you know, a little small review afterwards, right? So join us for dinner.
And as you've seen, we had Alejandro here. He's been an amazing waiter.
Alejandro's been taking care of our drinks. Genesis has been taking care of our food. So it's really been a really nice experience. All right. So dine with us.
See you in a little bit.
Bye.
Got?
Yeah, okay guys, first up we got the breaded and deep fried brie. Looks good.
What I got was the iced lobster and jumbo shrimp.
This is jumbo shrimp. Iced lobster right there. Cheers. To the ship. To the ship sinking.
I got an onion soup.
And I got the potato. Oh wait, what did I get?
Potato leek soup.
Leek soup, yeah. Hey guys, just for our final course of the evening, we're having conchigli pasta, some shrimp and lobster in there, and we're gonna cut it off here, not have dessert because we ate a lot today, we drank a lot today. We're gonna save it a little for after the fireworks. We'll probably have some drinks on the balcony and chill out. So we're gonna finish up here. We're gonna enjoy a meal. Hopefully you were enjoying what we were eating with us. You're gonna see the fireworks after this, and then after that we're gonna wrap up in the room and give you guys like a brief review of the day.
Though we don't have snow, we've got a North Pole show. A fireworks surprise to fill the night sky. So look up, where the reindeer fly, where Santa's magic showers the sky.
Boopy-doop.
Put the card in. What the heck was that?
There's someone in our room. It's Marty.
Who's Marty?
Marty the penguin.
Marty the Ah! Look at that face.
Whoop. Dead.
That was bad, Brian.
Hey guys, we're back in the room for our debrief little nightcap. So today felt like a long day, right?
Stop. Okay, I'm sorry.
Stop?
We do.
Okay.
Your phone was on ringer.
So what?
Yeah. No. I have issues with that. 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, we're back in the stateroom. This is the end. What? We had a long day. It felt like a long day. It was a long day. We started off just waking up late, having drinks, and then that took us to the holiday animation where you draw with the guy, and he teaches you to draw. Take it away, Ia.
I'm sorry, I was so pissed because we showed up literally on time. Yes, we are on time for the show where it's supposed to start. And then the guy didn't want to wait for us.
Well, there weren't enough tables. Or there was room for more tables to be set up, and there was a couple in front of us, and they didn't want to set up any more tables for anyone, right?
Yeah, but we were there literally a minute before.
And one of the team members went up to the guy, the animator, and asked, "Oh, can you wait 1 minute while we set up more people in?" And he said...
The animator said no.
Yeah.
And then I was like, okay, you know what? You're a jerk. I was like, you know what? I'm sorry. I'm gonna leave. So I left. So I'm sorry.
We left. He was really angry.
I was like, angry. I'm still angry.
And
I'm not gonna complain.
And I was like, okay, let's just... My vibe is just like, okay, it's not the end of the world. Let's just leave. Let's just leave. And then we ran into what? What did we do?
Bingo.
We ended up doing family bingo.
And bingo was fun, even though we didn't really win. I mean, you guys know.
Yeah. But it was a nice, slow way to...
ease up.
Yeah, it was just a nice, fun time.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it wasted like a good hour, so that was cool. And then what did we do after that?
After that, we came back to the room. We charged up the batteries, and then we went back to...
We had dinner plans at Palo. Now, here's the thing with Palo. During the day, actually yesterday, we saw for the first time, and I guess logically, common sense-wise, we should have known. And we did know they have a dress code, but we didn't know until yesterday on the cruise that you had to have pants, right?
Right. However,
yeah,
they're not fully booked. One.
Well,
Two.
here's the thing. I'm of course stressing and worrying about it because that's what I do. So it was always in the back of my head. Every time he had mentioned Palo, I was like, ugh.
I know.
I know it's gonna happen. So we go there, and
what she said?
She, we said, hey, we're here for the 6:30 reservation. She goes, oh, that's so great. She goes, one thing. Mickey Mouse requires that we wear pants.
I said Mickey Mouse is naked.
No, all his friends are naked. Donald Duck is naked. So I immediately, in my head, I knew this was gonna happen. I bounced out of there. I left.
Yeah, I was looking. I was like, "Where's Brian?"
I left Ian high and dry.
Yeah, he did.
And it is our fault.
In a way, but then.
Yeah.
I
mean, we wore nice dress shirts and khakis and nice shoes.
Okay, fine. So I don't want to be charged for the booking, because if you book Palo and cancel, you'll be charged $40.
Or you just don't go.
Yeah, or don't go. You'll be charged $40.
Right.
I'm like, I don't want to be charged for this. And so she said, "Oh no, it's absolutely fine." However, by the way, if you want to wear pants, like long pants, they will offer you that. I'm like,
they had pants for us to wear, and I was
no.
like, no, I do not want to do that.
No.
I understand if I'll borrow a tie, but I'm not gonna borrow someone's pants. experience.
Nope.
And I know they're clean, but nah, it wasn't my bag. And to
No.
be honest, like I told Iyad at the end of the day, I was happy we didn't go to Palo. I was really happy, right? Because that's just not. And this is not judging on anyone who does it, who likes it, who experiences it. It's not my bag. I don't like it.
Yeah, it was. I wanted you to experience it because I did, and it was awesome and cute and all of that. But
Yeah.
then now I'm looking at it, I was like, wow, this is like too bougie.
But no, I've actually seen reviews of it, and even then, like sitting at home, I was like, this just doesn't feel like something I'd like to experience. And then getting dressed up on a cruise, which, you know, it's not the end of the world for a lot of people, but it's just not me. And to sit there for an hour, hour and a half, and not be me.
Right, and then we went to
Where we
Royal?
go? Royal Palace. Now, Royal Palace, by the time we got to the Royal Palace, we
oh my
were...
god,
Huh?
oh my god.
Between...
I mean,
all-
as we show you the plates, you know,
Yeah,
what
all
we
the
order and
specialty
stuff.
drinks we had before then, and Tormado's Grill, we kind of went in full, because the original plan was to go to Palo, and then we came back to the room. Oh, we had ice cream, by the way, on the ship today.
We did. We had a vanilla and banana. Oh,
was very good.
do you want to tell someone else about the
No,
banana?
I'm gonna do that. I did. We said it to the camera. Like, we had the banana actually soft serve. The banana soft serve was actually pretty good.
Yeah,
I
the
liked
banana
it.
was good.
And then,
But I stopped eating it because it was too delicious.
well, right. Well, you're the wrong person for a cruise. I kept eating it because it was delicious.
Oh, we grew up in there.
And then what else? Oh, and then as you saw, we saw the fireworks, and then we came back to the room, as you see us now, and we are really tired. It's been a long day. It feels like, even though this is a short cruise, it feels like 4 days ago that we set sail.
It does.
Meanwhile, it was just yesterday.
And then tomorrow we have Castaway Keys. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to clap.
Castaway.
So no. So Castaway Keys. We're gonna have Castaway Keys activities tomorrow. We're gonna have the pretty much the exiting from the ship. How
Yeah.
does it feel like? And then I mean the process. I mean during this panoramic is that what we're gonna call it? Panoramic. And then also we're gonna show you the cookies. What is it? Cookies.
I don't know.
Cookout.
Oh, okay.
And then also
Yeah, we're gonna hit some barbecue for lunch.
barbecue for lunch, and
Maybe
then
go for a little swim.
swimmies. We're not gonna do any excursions or anything. I mean,
We'll go to the adults. What do they call that? The adult
the
section.
adult area.
Yeah.
Yeah. We didn't book anything, so we're gonna just go to the beach and
Have fun.
chillax.
Yeah.
So
So
tag along and
yeah, look forward to that video. Day 3.
3.
But we hope you enjoyed day 2. And thank you for tagging along with us. Please like, share, subscribe, comment down below. You know what? Comment down below if you've been to Palo and what was your experience. Comment down below if you're someone who's like, you know, like us that, well, you
I've been to Palo twice.
You would go. I'm honestly someone that would come on the ship
But-
and not
but
go. So if you're
like-
someone like that, like me,
But before we end this,
don't take my camera speak. If you're someone like me that wouldn't go to Palo or Remy, stuff like that, drop a like or comment down below. I need some support. But anyway, thank you guys,
thank you.
and we'll see you for day 3.
3.
Hopefully. Have a good night.